66 species in genus Ocimum. The wonderful world of Ocimum, a personal exploration. The scent of basil always takes me back to my childhood. My grandmother grew it in her garden. Its fragrant leaves a staple in many of her delicious Vietnamese dishes. It wasn't until much later that I learned the common name, basil, actually encompasses a whole genus of plants known as Ocimum. This fascinating genus, a member of the mint family, Lamiaceae, has captivated me ever since, and I'd like to share some of what I've learned about these remarkable herbs. A diverse and global family. Ocimum is a diverse genus with over 60 recognized species. These aromatic plants are native to tropical and warm-temperate regions across the globe, with the highest concentration of species found in Africa. While they vary in appearance, most Ocimum species share some common characteristics: square stems, opposite leaves, and flowers clustered in spikes. What truly sets them apart, however, is their incredible array of scents and flavors. More than just basil. While the culinary basil, Ocimum basilicum, is undoubtedly the most famous member of the genus, there's a whole world of Ocimum species waiting to be discovered. Here are holy basil, Ocimum tenuiflorum, revered in Hinduism. This sacred plant is known for its clove-like aroma and medicinal properties. It's often used in Ayurvedic medicine and is believed to have calming and restorative effects. Plant FAQs. Holy basil, Ocimum tenuiflorum. Camphor basil, Ocimum killiminskiricum. This African native has a strong camphor-like aroma and is traditionally used to repel insects. It's also being explored for its potential use in aromatherapy and as a source of essential oils. See full list at monsteraholic.com. Beyond the kitchen. While Ocimum species are primarily known for their culinary applications, their uses extend far beyond the kitchen. Many species have a long history of use in traditional medicine, particularly in Ayurveda and other systems of natural healing. They are believed to possess various therapeutic properties, including anti-inflammatory, antioxidant, and antimicrobial effects. Ocimum plants also play a vital role in ecological systems. Their flowers attract pollinators like bees and butterflies, contributing to biodiversity. Some species, like camphor basil, are even used in companion planting to deter pests and protect other crops. A personal connection. My fascination with Ocimum goes beyond its culinary and medicinal value. For me, these plants represent a connection to my heritage and a reminder of the intricate relationship between humans and nature. The diversity within this single genus highlights the incredible variety and adaptability of the plant kingdom. Exploring the world of Ocimum has been a journey of discovery, and I encourage everyone to take the time to appreciate the beauty and complexity of these remarkable plants. Whether you're a seasoned gardener, a culinary enthusiast, or simply someone who enjoys the fragrance of basil, there's something in the Ocimum genus for everyone.